Hello everybody. Hope all are hell and hearty. You all are enjoying your vacation, I know. But I was actually wondering about introducing a lesson which will teach you how to omit very. See, this very is quite common and we often use it. Suppose very beautiful, very dull or something like that. Instead of using very, if we just use certain words that will very nicely replace very, how about that? Actually, do you know what is the difference between ordinary and extraordinary? That a little bit extra, that makes you different from the lot, right? So let us learn that little bit extra which will add to our prospect and which will make us more swanky and of course knowledgeable, right? So without a further delay, let us begin our class. So we will use first very beautiful. So instead of using very beautiful, we can say gorgeous. Very poor, destitute. Very cheap, stingy. Very big, massive. Very angry, furious. Very quick, rapid. Very dry, arid. Very short, brief. Very clean, spotless. Very tired, drained. Very bad, awful. Very smart, intelligent. Very cold, freezing. Very sad, sorrowful. Very upset, distraught. Very huge, colossal. Very thirsty, parched. Very happy, overjoyed. Very hot, sweltering. Very excited, eager. Very noisy, deafening. Very dull, boring. So tell me, how did you like it? Hope all you have enjoyed my class. If you like this sort of videos, do let me know please. I'll try to make more and just choose your favorite one and then make a sentence and do let me know by commenting below in the comment section, right? And till then, take care of yourself, take care of everybody all around. We'll meet in the next class with something fun. Do let me know what sort of videos I should make more to keep you entertained in the summer days. Bye bye. Have a happy summer.